As many of you know, we've been working to rebuild and improve audio throughout the game. Today's update is another step in that journey. Our goal isn't just to replace the sounds, it's to make every shot, every headshot, every weapon swap, and every interaction feel satisfying. And this update brings a lot of improvements towards that goal. We've introduced completely new headshot audio for both helmet and non-helmet hits. These sounds provide clear feedback during combat while making eliminations feel more impactful. A large portion of this update focuses on refreshed weapon audio. The AUG, FAMAS, M4A4, SG, dualies, and 5.7 have received updated sounds. We've also added additional combat feedback sounds. You'll now hear dedicated audio cues for switching fire modes, firing on low ammunition, and attempting to fire with an empty magazine. Small details like these help make gameplay feel more responsive and intuitive. The AWP now features its own scope-in sound, adding another layer of feedback before taking your shot. We've also refreshed the case opening experience with an all-new roll tick sound effect. Alongside the audio improvements, we've added rare inspect animations throughout the update. Those include the butterfly knife, skeleton knife, and stiletto knife. And finally, we're introducing the SuperSoaker Bundle, featuring new skins for the USP, M4A1S, and Sawed Off. Rebuilding a game's feel isn't done through one massive update. It's done through hundreds of small improvements that come together to create a better experience. This update is another step forward, and we're excited to continue improving every part of the game. Thank you for your support, and as always, we'll see you in the next update.